Hi, hello. So there is an important recruitment notice from the Staff Selection Commission, which is a recruitment agency for the Government of India and the departments of the various departments of the Government of India. And the name for the examination is Combined Graduate Level Examination. So under this, they will conduct the examination for the different posts of the different departments. So official website is ssc.nic.in. So you can go through this for the details. So the dates for the submission of online applications are started from 23/12/2021 to 23/1/2022, and the last date and time for receipt of online application will be 23/1/2022, and remaining the fee payment and the payment through challan or online payment, there are the dates are given here, so please go through it. And the schedule of computer based examination, that is tier 1, is in April 2022, and the dates of a tier 2 examination will be notified later. And there is a descriptive paper tier 3 for the only respective posts are there. Normally it is a two tier examination, and for some post they will conduct the paper 3 also, that is tier 3. In this notification you will get all the details like the name of the post, ministry, classification of post, age limit. Suppose in Indian Audit and Accounts Department under C Control and Auditor General Department, the post is Assistant Audit Officer. It is a Group B gazetted one, and the age limit for this will be 18 to 30 years. Like this, there are number of posts are there in the Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Railway, Ministry of External Affairs, CBDT, Inspector of Income Tax, Assistant Enforcement Officer, Director of Enforcement, Department of Revenue, CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, that we will get a Sub Inspector post, Central Bureau of Narcotics Inspector post, Indian Coast Guard. Like this, there are many ministries, departments will comes under this Staff Selection Commission. They will recruit for the staffs of these departments. You can go through auditor, accountant, tax assistant, sub inspector. Like this, Group C and Group B posts are there, and for them particular age limit is there, 18 to 27 for Group C and 18 to 30 for the Group B. And there are reservation is also there as per the central government rules, and the eligibility conditions also given here, and the particular age limit is also given here for the particular posts, and the age relaxation is also given here as per the Government of India rules. So in this notice, if you read once or twice, you will get the details of this. Please go through this notification. And in this notification you will get to the examination pattern, what type of examination will be is there, what is the syllabus for this, all the things you will get. So please go through the with the website, that is the Staff Selection Commission .nic ssc.nic.in. Then you will get this recruitment notice notification, so you can download and read it. You will get the full details.